Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to go over calculating 4 out of 6 in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, we should be able to see if a given set of data has 4 out of 6 for a certain criteria. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So have you ever heard the term 4 out of 6? It's basically just wanting to see if 2/3 of the data are passing a certain criteria. So in this case, we have 6 data points over here in column A. And I would like to know if 4 of those data points are over the value of 50, because if they are, then I've met my 4 out of 6 criteria. So if I click in B1, I'm going to type equals count if with a left parenthesis. And the first argument I'm going to be prompted for is the range. So the range of my data is right here from A1, and if I hold down the left mouse button and drag down here to A6, I will get my 6 data points. And then I'm going to type a comma. Now my criteria for being 4 out of 6 in this case is that my values are over 50. So in double quotes, I'm going to type greater than 50, close my double quotes, close my parentheses, and hit enter. And right now I'm being returned with a 4. So that means that my criteria is met by 4 of my 6 data points over here. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. However, if I change this 56 here to a 50 and hit enter, I can now see that I'm being returned with a 3 instead of a 4, so I am not meeting my 4 of 6 criteria. Now there's other ways to do the 4 of 6, and we have a whole blog entry on that. And I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and enhance your learning a little bit more on this topic. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.